Hello buddies, let's make one of the most delicious Jamaican treats, the Jamaican Toto. Enjoy this video. So first you start with 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/3 cup of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of shredded coconut or desiccated coconut, whichever one you have, half teaspoon of mixed spice. Okay, next you go in with 1/8 teaspoon of salt, and then you add in 1 teaspoon baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Now you go ahead and combine this together or mix it well, then you set it aside. Now in a separate bowl, you're going to measure out some margarine or butter, about 70 grams, and you melt it. So to this melted margarine, you add 1 large egg. This egg should weigh about 60 to 70 grams. Then you're going to whisk the egg till it combines with the melted margarine. Ensure that the melted margarine or butter is not hot, okay, so that it can mix well with the egg. So I also decided to add a drop or some drops of liquid browning, although this is optional, but I just wanted it to have that brown color or something like that. Next I added my coconut flavor, about half teaspoon of the coconut flavor, and then half teaspoon of vanilla flavor. Then I whisk everything together, just as you see in the video. So once I was done whisking, I had to transfer this mixture into the first mixture, which is the dry ingredients. Okay, so after adding it, I had to mix or combine the dry ingredients with the wet ingredients, just as you see in the video. Next, I went in with 2 of 1/3 cup of coconut milk. Okay, make sure you're using coconut milk. Okay, now you add the first 1/3 cup and combine, then you add the last 1/3 cup, and then you combine everything together. Like I said, please be sure you are using coconut milk. You can get your coconut milk by blending the coconut, or you can buy the store-bought. Okay, so once you are done adding, you have this. Your batter is going to look like this. Next, you're going to transfer this batter into your greased baking pan. Ensure you are using a square pan or a rectangular pan. Okay, make sure you are using a square pan or a rectangular pan, because this is the most common pan used. It's not round pan, but you can use round pan if that's what you have. Next, I went ahead and sprinkled some coconut flakes, or you can also use desiccated coconut sprinkle on top, but it's optional if you don't want. Then after that, I baked at 160 degrees C for 50 minutes, or you can bake according to your oven temperature. Then you go ahead, slice and enjoy. Okay, you can serve this to your friends, maybe during your parties or get together, and believe me, they're going to enjoy